Welcome to another edition of Eric's Product Reviews. I am Eric, and today I'm going to be unboxing and demoing for you this iPhone 13 Pro Max case by Casekoo. They also make it for the iPhone 13, the iPhone 13 Pro. This is a premium brand case. You can just tell by the packaging. This is what the case comes in. And you can see their logo is "Your Trust, My Faith." They want you to know that they make quality stuff and they stand behind their products. Now this package was vacuum sealed and wrapped, but I went ahead and took that off before I started this because that just makes this whole process easier. Now you open this up and you can see right here, it lets you know package has been vacuum sealed. If it's been opened or damaged, contact us. They want to know that they got your back. Got the case over here, but even just over here, look at this. Inside of here, you've got this nice pouch right here. And then you've got this nice stand. Look at that. That's just a bonus there. This is a foldable stand, so if you unfold that, you can put your phone in there. You could probably also use this for even an iPad. So that's cool. Just a bonus there in addition to the main star attraction, which is this MagSafe case. Yes, this is not just any case. This is a nice translucent, highly protective, anti-fingerprint and MagSafe case. You can see that ring right there. That is your MagSafe compatible magnetic ring in there. And this is the case. We're going to take a quick look at it, and then I'm going to throw it on my phone so you can actually see it on my phone. You can see it's got this nice soft TPU bumper, and then the back is that translucent, so you can see through it, as you can see. But because it's that translucent finish, you will not see fingerprints. Completely fingerprint resistant, which is great. And you got places for buttons and things. You can just sort of see the inside there. And yeah, let's go ahead and throw it on my phone because that's what you want to see. You want to see it on my phone. So let's get it on there. And yeah, I'll turn the screen on because that helps you to be able to see that lip. That's great. It's got this nice, just slightly raised lip. And that way, even if you put your phone flat down, you are protected. Your screen will not actually touch the table because you've got that lip protecting your screen. Same thing on the back here around the camera. You can see you've got that nice raised bezel all the way around your camera lenses, so they are protected when you set your phone down. And then yeah, you've got easy access to your buttons, so you're really easy to hit the buttons. Work great. Your volume control, very easy, works perfect. You saw how easy the case went on. Easy access to your silent vibrate button there. You've got all the right cutouts for everything. Looking on the bottom here, if we can focus in there, you can see you've got your cutouts for your speaker grill, no problem at all. Nice wide cutout for your phone charger. I love that. That means regardless if you're using a third-party charger and has a slightly wider, should fit without any problem at all. You've also got this nice TPU bumper all the way around the outside to protect it. This has been drop tested. And then yeah, you've got that back, you've got that magnetic ring. So again, completely MagSafe compatible, and looks great on the phone as well. So really good looking case, everything that you would want in a case. And so now let's just jump over really quick and test out the magnetic ring with the MagSafe and see how that works, see it in action. So you can see I've got that Casekoo MagSafe case on my phone. I've got a MagSafe charger right here. Throw it on there, sticks on there. You can see my phone immediately starts charging. Also, you can see the case does work. The magnetic ring on the case works exactly as it should. So it works to hold the phone as well as line up with your MagSafe charger for charging. You can see it's charging right there. So yeah, the MagSafe works as expected with any of your MagSafe accessories, not just this charger like this, but also your car mount or your bedside MagSafe, whatever you have. The case from Casekoo, it has that magnetic ring as well as that cool translucent look. Allows you to see the Apple logo through there, which is nice. Protects your phone, gives you access to everything you need access to, and most importantly, because if you have an iPhone 13, you want to be able to use MagSafe Accessories, and with this case you can do it because it does have that magnetic ring built into it. So really excellent case by Casekoo, and definitely a product that I would recommend. That's going to be it for this review. If you like this review, please click that like button. If you know anyone who might be interested in this product, share this video with them. All those ways are down there. Don't forget to favorite this playlist or subscribe to my channel to keep up with future product reviews. And if you have any questions, post them in the comments below, and I'll do my best to get back to you as quickly as I can. That's going to be it until next time, so be safe and be happy.